Okay, today we're working on an '05 Harley Davidson Sportster. The choke is not working. You pull it out and it wants to slip back in, giving it pretty tough to warm up the bike and ride it with pleasure. With that, we're going to remove the air filter, carburetor, choke, and reinstall a new choke. 3/16 Allen head. Easy enough. Take the cover off. Put it to the side. Some little T25 torque bit. Put aside. 9/16 for these two breather bolts. Now that was loose. Alright, remove the cover. Now to remove the choke. 17 millimeters, the nut behind. You can see where it's broke, and that's what stops it from locking this in place so you can manually control it. Unloosen, drop it down. So you're done with this side. So what we want to do now is remove this carburetor. Up and down, it should come right loose. There should be a vacuum line here, as you see. Be careful, it is vacuum. Right here is your choke. And that's what we're removing. Alright, you might have to go to the other side and work it loose a little bit. This one had some aftermarket chrome chunk. And now it's exposed. Put it up. There we go. Be a little cap on here. It's like a little rubber boot. Oh, you fuck. There we go. Pair of pliers has the right angle. This way. A little pain, but very doable. Up. 4-0 steel wool. Just like new. Little carburetor cleaner. Now here's the new one. Here's the old one. You'll remove this piston for the choke and put it onto this cable. All you do is press this spring in, move that out, and just we'll remove this one and install it on here. Not hard at all. And take this nut with you and bring it over to here. If you need a new rubber, you take this one and bring it over to here. Alright, I remove this. I'm going to keep this rubber. I remove that. I have the spring. And now you're going to take this. There you go. This gets a little tricky, but patience. The first thread is the trick. Otherwise, you could just hand tighten it. I got it. Just like that. Take your little right angle and just snug it up. Little lube. Slide this back into place. Might have to go to the other side to work it or have someone help you. You're going to be finagling. It's not that hard. I think I might got it. Alright, cable's in, carburetor's on, installed on other side, pretty straightforward. Now to put the box and everything back together. Make sure you line up these. You don't want to get caught out there later. Tight, not too bad. Looks good now. Tabs. Nice, this one. This bottom one seems to have given me a little bit of a problem. 2, 3. Just snug them up. Beautiful. Alright, I put choke chrome piece back on, back in. And we're done on this side. Alright, let's check it one more time. Ignition. On, neutral. Sound bad, not at all. Choke is like $20 on eBay. Take about 40 minutes, taking your time, and need any help, just give a yell. Alright, air cover cleaned, air filter clean. This bike just came in, we'll be doing some work on this. Alright, one more time, light on, ignition.